So we have a client working on a significant construction project in the oil and gas sector in Asia. And this EPC requires the collection, validation, and invoicing of timesheets for several thousand personnel and equipment items. While this use case is EPC focused, a lot of the challenges and resolutions are relatable from an owner perspective too. And many different rules apply for the calculation of the cost and the price of any entered hours. For people, rates exist which cover the skill of the person, whether they're an electrician, a mechanical engineer, a project manager, etc. The shift being worked on, day shift and night shift, the location of the work, the origin country of the person, the grade and level of the person, as well as multiple different overtime types. For equipment, rates exist based on the usage of the equipment over the period. Different rates per hour if used for 30 consecutive days, and then for a week, a day, or an hour. So rates for the equipment are also different whether they're on-site or off-site. For a handful of people and equipment, this process would be manageable. But for a project with a mobilization plan which shows a peak of nearly 5,000 time entries per shift, made up of 3,000 people and 2,000 equipment items, the volume of data becomes difficult to manage without proper controls. And Mpower was deployed to manage the complexity. As we're looking at more time writing features, the time writing tab is more relevant for what we're speaking about today. So within the time writing tab, I can see what is the default shift for this person. What is their skill or trade or craft within the current role? Which location is their default? Do they belong to a different company? Are they a subcontractor? You have all that information in here, as well as what type of timesheet do they enter. So this person's entering a weekly timesheet. But more importantly, as far as time writing is concerned,